In my horoscope in the Navamsa chart, I have the Sun over here, Jupiter over here, Mercury and Mars over here. By just looking at the Navamsa, you will be in a position to tell which star it occupies. But you also need to know where they are in the Rasi chart. For your information, I would like to tell you all these 4 planets are together in Capricorn. Okay, I have all these 4 planets in Capricorn. So in Capricorn, the possibilities are, you have a possibility of a Sun star, then in between Moon star and then Mars star. So now let's find out where Mars is. Since Mars is over here, you can see that out of the 3 stars I said here, only Sun is involved with this place in Navamsa. So obviously the Mars in my horoscope is in Uttarashada, and that too the second pada, because the pada numbers are counted like this. This is the first pada, this is the second, this is the third and the fourth. The same way it was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and starts again from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Mars in my horoscope is in the second pada of the Sun. Therefore I know that it is in Uttarashada, second pada. In the same way, we already done Sun. Let's go to Jupiter. Jupiter in my Rasi chart is over here. So there are only 3 possibilities. It can only be Sun star or Moon star or Mars star. In this you will see that there are 3 stars possible and only the Moon star is possible, because we have Moon over here in the middle, and Ketu and Chandra, Ketu and Guru stars do not occur in this zone, what is called in Capricorn. So you will know that Jupiter in my horoscope must have been in Chandra star in the 4th pada. The Chandra star over here is called Shravana. So Jupiter is placed in Shravana 4th pada, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do Mercury. Where is Mercury in the entire 30 degrees of Capricorn? You know that out of these 3 stars possible, Venus star or Mars star or Saturn star, only Mars star is here. So Mercury is in the Mars star in the second portion of the Mars star. That means Mercury is over the last pada of this entire zone, the 9th pada. The 9th pada here is Dhanishta pada 2, or the second part of Dhanishta, which is why Buddha is placed over here. If any planet is here, the first 4 signs, it can only be a Ketu star, Ashwini and Maka and Mula. Chandra, it can only be Rohini or Hasta or Shravana, and if it is Jupiter star, it can only be Punarvasu, Vishaka and Poorvabhadra. So that's how you have to know this. So it can never be anything else if it is placed over here. So in the same way here, there are 4 places in the Navamsa. It can only be a Bharani Nakshatra or a Poorvabhadra or a Urtarashada. If it is Mars, then it can only be Mrigasira, Chitra or Dhanishta. Saturn stars, all the 4 can only involve Pushyami, Anuradha Nakshatra and Uttaraphalguni. So here the possibilities are, it can only involve a Ravi star, which is Kritika, Uttaraphalguni and Uttarashada. Buddha, the three stars of Buddha which can come over here is Aslesha, Jeshta and Revati. Rahu stars, they are Arudra from here to here, or it can also be Swati, or it can be Satabhisha. You may say that it is very easy for me because I know it well, and it is to some of you it may look a little tough, but if you watch this video 2 or 3 times, and if you have some sample horoscopes with you, after a little bit of effort, you will get this straight. You need to know such things because it adds to your confidence when you are looking at a horoscope. In the same way that when you play chess, you need to know the squares very well. So you need to know the actual map of the zodiac. Otherwise, you will struggle to talk about it. For example, if you play chess, if you don't know the notations, that what is meant by e4 or c5, then you'll have to say you'll have to use this type of language. You will say move the pawn to that square and push it to this side, that side, and then push bishop to this square or that white square. You'll have to do a lot of dancing. So it's very difficult. Whereas if you know the exact moves, the notation of the moves, you can say, after e4, you can play c5, and then after knight f3, you can play knight c6, and so on. So you can visualize the chessboard quite easily. The same way you can visualize the sky if you know the map of the zodiac and get a lot of familiar with their terms like star and which is the pada and these things, which will give you a nice idea of where the planets are. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'm not very sure about it because it looks tough to beginners, but I'm sure you will enjoy this video later on as soon as you start understanding it. Thank you so much for watching this video.